What do we got?
All right, this is the birthday entree. So we have the Cocoon A5 strip loin. It's been dry aged for 45 days with the truffle mash. And then we have some of our market mushrooms, cipollini onion with all poivre sauce. Happy birthday.
Can you explain what
does
cocoon
mean?
Cocoon is where we dip the A5 in A5 fat and just cover it, keep redipping it so it's coated with the A5 fat, and then it's dry aged.
That's just like, who would think to do that? You guys are genius.
Amazing.
Not only that,
Brown.
you know, I was thinking about this. Not only are you like an amazing friend to me, an incredible chef in the world, but you're artistic. Not autistic, but artistic. It's like I watch you like just delicately plate everything, and the artistic ability is amazing.
Holy moly.
It's all for you.
I love you. Thank you. Oh my God.